Hello, hi children. How are you? Hope you all are doing good and safe. It's me Shrija and I will be teaching you science. I welcome you all to the first online class for science. We have some new students who joined this year. Let us all give them a very warm welcome to our school. Hopefully, we can meet each other once this COVID-19 epidemic is over. Now, you all are sitting in the comfort of your home. We will be doing online classes for your safety to prevent you from the disease. So, be safe, stay at home, wash your hands frequently with soap and water, use sanitizers, eat healthy food, keep social distancing, that is, stay away from the crowd, wear a mask whenever you go out. So, follow these instructions carefully. So, are you ready, children? Okay, sit back, relax, listen to me carefully and enjoy the class. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. Chapter 1, Food. Where does it come from? So, it's about food. Do you like food? Yes, we all like food. We love to eat different types of food. Let me ask you one thing. Why do we eat food? Very good. We eat food to get energy. There are mainly two types of food. First one is fun foods and second, healthy foods. So, there are mainly two types of food, fun foods and healthy food. Which one would you like the most? Yes, I am sure which one you will be going to tell me. Of course, fun foods, right? I know that. And can you give me some examples of fun foods? Yes, I know you all know about them. Fun foods are pizza, burgers, sandwiches, then what? Pastries, noodles, pasta, cakes, biscuits, chips. These all are fun foods. And I know especially children like to eat fun foods. It is okay to have fun foods once in a while. I know that. And sometimes you feel fun foods are more tasty and yummy too, right? It's okay. It's okay to have fun foods once in a while. But you have to eat healthy foods also. And now you are in grade 6 and I am sure you know the importance of healthy foods. Now, examples of healthy foods, can you tell me? Yes, our normal diet usually consists of healthy food. Rice, vegetables, chicken, fish, eggs, these are all healthy foods. So, to get nutrients, to get more energy, what food we need to eat? Correct. We should eat healthy foods. So, you have to eat healthy food for the proper development and growth of your body. Now, let me ask you, Why do we need food? Very good. We need food to get energy, right? We need food to get energy. And food also help us for our growth and development. And it also gives us immunity against diseases. It boosts our immunity. It prevents us from diseases. So, food is very important. That is why I told you to eat healthy foods. Now, why do we need energy? Can you tell me? Why do we need energy? Yes, we need energy to perform different activities. Okay? We need energy to perform different day-to-day activities in our life. We need energy to study, to play, to walk, to run. For all these activities, we need energy. That is why we are eating food. So, it is very important to have healthy food to get sufficient amount of nutrients. Now, let us move on to the next topic. It is food variety. Food varieties. Now, we have been talking about food for a while now. What is food? Do you know the definition? Let me give you a simple definition for food. It is a substance which is eaten daily to get energy. Clear, children? Are you getting me? So, the simple definition for food is, it is a substance which is eaten daily to get energy. So, what is food? A substance which is eaten daily to get energy. Let me repeat. Food is a substance which is eaten daily to get energy. Now, we have different varieties of food. Right? We love to eat different types of food. For example, for breakfast, we will have dosha, for example, okay? And for lunch, we will be eating rice and vegetable or rice and chicken, something else. And for dinner, we will be eating chapati or curry, like that. So, for each meal, we are eating different types of food. So, we have so many varieties of food in our diet. And these so many varieties of food provide us with almost all nutrients. Clear, children? So, for breakfast, for lunch and dinner, we will have different type of food. And evening, we will have tea with some snacks. So, these are all different. Here, I will give you an activity. I am going to give you an activity to do at home. You can prepare a table in which you have to write all 3 meals of a day, in which the breakfast, lunch and dinner should be included. So, you can see the varieties of food. So, prepare a table. You can do it in your notebook, okay? So, prepare a table with the important 3 meals in a day which you are going to eat. So, neatly prepare a table. Meals you can write, make 2 columns. In the left side you can write meals, and in the second column you can write food item. Okay? Let me show you. Prepare a table like this. Make 2 columns. So first here you write breakfast. Then what will you have for breakfast? For example, dosha, sambar. Like this you can make a table of breakfast, lunch and dinner should be there. So do it neatly and keep it ready for the next class. Now moving forward, we have been talking about food varieties. India is a vast country, as you know. In different states of India, people eat different varieties of food. Usually in South India, which include Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, we usually eat rice. Rice is the main food item in our diet. And for North Indians, they eat wheat. More than rice, they use wheat. So, in different states of India, we have different varieties of food. So, that is all about food varieties. And don't forget to make this table and keep it ready for the next class. Now moving forward, the next term we are going to discuss is ingredients. So first I will tell you the definition. Ingredients are the raw materials which are used to make a food item or a dish. Raw materials used to prepare food. So what is ingredients? Correct. Ingredients are raw materials which are used to prepare food. So some food need 1 or 2 ingredients and some food have more ingredients. For example, to prepare rice, we need only 2 ingredients, rice and water. So to cook rice, we need rice and water. So rice and water are called the ingredients to cook rice. Do you understand, children? Okay. So let me tell you one more time what is ingredients. The raw materials used to prepare food is called ingredients. Now some food have more ingredients and some food have 1 or 2 ingredients. So for example, rice we have already told, and suppose we are making a vegetable curry. We need more ingredients to make vegetable curry. We need vegetables, then what? Water, salt and some spices and oil also to make vegetable curry. So these are all the ingredients for making vegetable curry. Is that clear for you? Okay. So the raw materials used to prepare food is called ingredients. Some food have more ingredients while other food have only 1 or 2 ingredients. Clear? Okay. Now let us have a quick recap on what we have studied today. First, First we spoke about two different types of food, fun foods and healthy food. Now after that we spoke about the need to have food. Why do we need food? To get energy, then next we saw the definition of food, that is a substance which is eaten daily to get energy. Definition of food. Then we have seen varieties of food. Food variety, and lastly ingredients. Raw materials. Raw materials to cook food. So ingredients are the raw materials to cook food. So these all points you have to remember and read your textbooks thoroughly. Okay, that's all for today. Let us meet in the next class. Take care, stay home, be safe, and bye-bye.